How to delete part of a video on iPhone. To get started, first of all open up the CapCut application on your phone. On this page, tap on New Project. Then go to the Videos section from the top. You can view all your videos over here. Select the video you want to use from here and then tap on Add at the bottom right corner. You can now edit the video using the edit options below. Here, tap on the video track and then drag to select the part you want to cut. And then, go to the bottom panel and tap on the split icon. Repeat this to split other parts as well. After that, tap on the delete icon at the bottom. Once you're done, go to the top right corner and tap on Export. Following these steps, you can easily delete part of a video on iPhone. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.